what if I told you that if you click on a button and right away you're gonna make money online? Yes, you heard that right. You're gonna push a button and then you're gonna earn 50 cents, and when you push the button again, you're gonna earn $1. It's super duper cool. You can do it over and over again, unlimitedly, every single day. Imagine how much money you could be making. So make sure you check out What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer and press on a few buttons, and then you're gonna make money without any skills or experience. This strategy is 100% free. It's worldwide available, so just pay close attention to the two very special bonuses that I will be sharing with you at the end of today's video, because if you miss those two tips, you're not going to be making as much money as you wish. Make sure you watch until the very end, and let's jump right into it. So the website that we're going to be using to make money online is called Paydera. Now, before we go into the website, and before you try to figure things out on your own, you have to watch this video first, because I'm going to be explaining a lot of things. I'm going to be including how you're going to sign up for free. I'm going to be showing bonus tips, and I'm going to be able to help you make money even faster. I'm going to show you step-by-step examples, and you have to remember, one mistake should be something that will make you realize that you won't be able to cash out successfully. So you had to really listen and watch. So take a look at this. Paydera.com is going to pay you money just to do surveys. You can actually turn your time into money. The payout is fast. You can receive instant payment within your first day. You don't need to be anywhere specifically, because there are no restrictions in terms of country. Worldwide available. Any country can join. Of course, you're going to be able to do it on your mobile phone. You can do it on your computer. And this is what I love about this website. You can reach the minimum payout, which is only $5, so you can begin to cash out your money right away. In just a day, you're going to be able to receive your payment. They have unlimited jobs that you can do every single day. There is no limit on how much money you want to earn per day. And if you actually stick with me until the very end of today's video, I'm going to be showing you a secret trick that you can apply, and you can just click on a few buttons and make even more money over and over again. Now, as you can see here, there are different things that you can do to make money on Paydera. You can sign up on different tasks. You can do different surveys. You can upload videos. You can invite and refer friends to make extra money. You can write articles. You can do so many things in just one website. So as of the moment, I'm recording this video, and they have over 600,000 members, over 5 million tasks completed, and over 1 million payouts sent out to the people from all over the world. So make sure you watch it to the very end, because I am going to show you how you can earn money just like this. Look at this guy from this country making this amount of money, another person making this amount of money from this country, and they're just super excited to share this experience. And this is the payment proof that they actually receive. You know, people from Uruguay, just different countries, people from Saudi Arabia, people from the Philippines, people from India, people from Sri Lanka, people from literally all over the world are already earning all of this money. And this payment proof has got to be the one to tell you that this website is legit, it is trusted, it is used by many, it has helped a lot of people already. So what really are you going to lose here, right? People are already making money over and over again on this website, and I'm going to show you hundreds and hundreds of payment proof. You can already see it just means it's definitely working. If you want to know how you can make even more money every single day, over $1,000 every single day, make sure that you check our description box down below. We have links there that we have carefully created and curated for our subscribers and our viewers. So make sure you click on those links and use those links to make over $1,000 every single day. Also, why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from, what you'd rather use to get paid, PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is. Let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos. Now let's continue. So if you obviously want to sign up for a free account, you're going to click on this blue button on top to create an account, and you're going to go onto this page, create a free account, start making money. You can join today and make 15 more money compared to other people by following this method. So you're going to put in your first name, your username, your email, your password, and then you're going to click on sign up, and then you're going to create your account. It's just as simple as that. Now, once you've signed up for your account successfully, you can start to do the surveys. You can download apps. You can invite your friends. You can upload videos. You can do a lot of things to make money. And I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do this right now really quickly. So I want to show you the examples. As soon as you're logged in, you can do surveys like this one, earn 40 cents, 50 cents, 35 cents. There's a lot of surveys which you can do with your unlimited surveys, and they always refresh every single day. So just click on the refresh button. You're going to see new surveys just popping up again. Another 40 cents, another 50 cents. It's not a lot of money, but this is where the magic happens. I'm going to show you how you can make a lot more money on the website. I'm going to give you guys a live example and show you exactly how you're going to press buttons, which buttons to press, start making money. Now I'm going to show you an example using this survey. All you have to do is just click on take surveys. You're going to click on this green button right here, and then it's going to take you to this page where you're going to see here how much they're going to be paying you, how many cents. You're going to be able to start taking surveys right now by simply clicking on buttons. And the truth is, you're not going to have to answer any of the surveys. You just have to click on this blue button, the start survey, and it's going to load up on this website. And as soon as you finish the loading, they're going to begin to ask you questions. For example, personal questions pretty much. And you just have to answer. You don't even have to think about it. And then you're going to click on the next button. And then after that, they're going to load up the website and show you here. You can scroll down to continue. You don't even have to answer anything on this page. You're going to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. You're going to click on continue. And the reason why I love this website is that every single button that you click, you can earn 50 cents. Now, we've answered 2 questions, which means you've earned $1. And for the next question, you're just going to click on whatever. Again, you're going to click on them, scroll down below, click on the next button. You can do this over and over again every single day. First question, you're going to scroll down below. You're going to continue to answer even more questions by clicking on the next button. So from there, I'm just going to go down to the very bottom of the page and repeat the same entire thing. Just click on continue. You're going to see another 50 cents had been added right away. Basically, if you kept on clicking, you're going to keep on earning. Once you finish the surveys, you're going to be able to unlock surveys that earn even more money than we were earning earlier. So that's a special bonus tip that I've never actually seen other people do or talk about. Let's say 50 cents is the first that you can make for every survey, but when you finish 10 more surveys, you're going to be able to make $2. You're double your money. You can double the earnings for every 10 surveys that you do. So make sure you keep doing the surveys, the same process over and over again. I know it's exhausting, but honestly, the money is worth it. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit the notification bell so you're going to be notified whenever we have a new video posted. And let's keep going then. So when you look closely, they have one ad over here, number 1. Number 2, there's another ad. Number 3, there's another ad over here. There are 3 ads in total on this website. And if you just click on them, for example, if I click on this, Paytera website is going to pay you money. Basically, they want you to accidentally click on the ad so that they can make the money. And that's the reason why they're putting a lot of ads. Because the money they're earning, they're going to split it with you. That's how you're getting paid as well. So I've also never seen a lot of people do this or talk about this, but at least now you know. So if you want to save time, obviously, you can make sure you can always go down to the very bottom of the website, click on continue, then you can just repeat the same process over and over again. And sometimes they're going to ask you random questions. They're going to click on any one of the answers whatsoever. And that's pretty much it. You're going to do everything that they offer on this website. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Just keep doing it over and over again. You're definitely not going to regret it. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.